Hello guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. Now in this video what I will be showing you guys or explaining to you guys is how you can become eligible for the Instagram Reels play bonus, what it is, and etc etc. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I opened the about section in the help center, and excuse me for a second. All right, so what Instagram Reels Play or the bonuses are, it is well, Instagram Reels Play is an invitation only bonus. As you can see, it's a bonus program that lets you earn money on Reels, and the only way that you can become a part of this uh, program is if you're directly invited by Instagram staff themselves. Now, how you can become eligible for this? Mainly, it's just you need to make engaging content. You need to make regular content, etc., etc. So that your reels gain more and more traction, attract more and more people, and just create a buzz. I think it's arbitrary when they will invite you, meaning that they decide when they want to invite you. There is no set minimum, as far as I'm aware. And once you are invited, then you will get a notification which tells you that you're invited to accept the invitation and everything, and so on and so forth. Then you'll be a member of the program, and as you can see here, once it's become available, you'll need to set up the bonuses. And well, some of the bonuses you can get are based on performance of your reels, based on the number of the reels, and based on the creation of a themed reel in response to a prompt. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Content that is not eligible is if you got striked for violations, claimed, or so on and so forth. If you win the appeal, then you'll get back into the program. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can find the full list here on the help center. I hope I helped, and I'll see you guys in another video.